Hey, I'm Tamberly, the founder and creator behind the Digital Wellness Journal, where we help high functioning women who are multi role women in their lives. We help them reduce the mental load using journaling and AI so that they can live the life that they want to live with clarity and ease. So, in the last video, we talked about externalize, the first step of the EOD system in helping you reduce the mental load, right? So, externalize, you cleared your mind. You did a brain dump, you got it out of your head. Now, a lot of women, I'm not going to say most, but a lot of women usually stop there. They just do the brain dump and that's it. They dump everything out and then they feel overwhelmed by the page. So today we are talking about step two of the EOD system, organize. Not perfectly, not obsessively, just enough to reduce the pressure. So a brain dump clears the noise, right, out of your head. You take it out of your head, put it on paper. But clarity requires structure. So if everything stays on that paper, your brain dump is still on that paper, your nervous system still sees chaos when it looks at it. Organizing is not about control, it's about reducing decision fatigue, right? When you categorize things, your brain can finally relax. So here's the reality: some things need action, right? Some things need to be scheduled, and some things may need a boundary. And then there are some things you just need to release and let go. And some things were never yours to carry, right? So organizing helps you see the difference. Without structure, everything feels urgent. With the structure, you can separate signals from noise. So, organizing is not about doing more, okay? It's about deciding what actually deserves your energy. And this is where AI becomes useful. After you brain dump and reflect, you can actually take your brain dump and paste it into AI and ask it to organize this by urgency, separate emotional from logistical, highlight what requires my action, and even suggest a simple 3-step focus for the day. Now, here's the key: AI organizes, but you decide. You are not outsourcing authority, okay? You are reducing cognitive strain. So, after AI sorts it for you, you look at it, you decide if you are in alignment with it, if you are capable, and if not, talk to the AI, have a conversation with it. Let's redo it. It's one of those tweak, toss, or keep, okay? If you can move forward with it, do so. If not, start over or just toss it. If you want a simple organizing structure, use these 4 buckets, okay? Do. This is where it needs action soon. Schedule. Not urgent, but it is important, so you schedule it. Delegate. Get someone else to do it. Release. It does not belong to you. And that's it. 4 buckets. That's it. No complex, no complex productivity system, just clarity. And if you use AI, have it sort your list into those 4 buckets. Then look at it. Does it feel lighter or does it feel heavier? Adjust accordingly. Now, externalizing clears space, right? Organizing creates direction. And when your mental load is sorted, your energy changes. Now, this is where we reduce mental load. not by doing everything, but by deciding clearly. So next video, we'll talk about the final step, which is design. Because once it's organized, we need to build a system that keeps it from piling back up, right? Because if we don't build that system, we haven't solved anything. All right, I'll see you in the next video.
Remember, we don't just consume content here at the lab, we build systems. If you found value in this protocol, do me a favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that life designers are here. And if you are ready to turn your chaos into clarity, check the description box below for the tools and templates we talked about today. I'm Tamberly, your life design strategist. Until next time, define it, design it, live it.